When it comes to looking and feeling your best, it will always come down to one thing: choice. Ultimately, it is your choices in life that will depend on the outcome of how you want to look. Do you want to get a bikini body? You make the choice to eat right, exercise, and staying consistent with your healthy habits. There's a saying, you made the bed you lie in, now deal with it. And it's true. Our lifestyle choices are what leads us to exactly where we are at right now. But what does this philosophy of life have to do with getting a bikini body? Well, to be blunt, it's not easy to get in the best shape of your life. There's going to be some pain. Many will start out excited to make the change, but few will persist. The road to being healthy and fit is filled with ups and downs. But it can be the most rewarding trial ever. Since you've read this far, my guess is that you are committed. So let me share with you 3 simple tips to get you started on gaining that bikini body look. Here they are. Tip number 1. Know your target weight loss. This is essential when starting a weight loss program. You have got to have a target weight loss. Without a target or goal to hit, you won't know if you've reached it. Once you've gotten your weight loss goal, you should calculate your caloric intake. Calculating your daily calories is super easy to do. To maintain your weight, take your weight and times it by 12. For example, if you weigh 140 pounds, then you should be consuming 1,680 calories on a daily basis to maintain your weight. To lose weight safely at about 1 to 2 pounds a week, you subtract 500 to 1,000 from your total weekly. So to safely lose 1 pound from 140, you should consume 1,609 calories daily. It's really simple math. Tip number 2. Don't starve yourself. Starving yourself may seem like the quickest way to lose weight. But it is counterintuitive when you start eating, because your body will store more fat thinking that it is in the starvation mode. So you will most likely gain more weight. It is recommended that you eat at least 3 meals per day with 2 snacks in between to help boost your metabolism. Eating more, while exercising on a regular basis, is what will help you to lose weight. Tip number 3. It's all about portions. Now, the previous tip recommends you eat more. But you must do so within portions. Again, the caloric intake comes into play. With these 3 simple tips to follow, you should have a basic guideline to losing weight and getting the bikini body that you've been craving for. The only thing missing is a workout routine that either you can create on your own or one that you can follow. If you want to follow a program that includes a diet plan, workout routines, and beauty tips designed to give you a bikini body and look in a short time, then check out the Bikini Model Program. This diet and exercise program was created by Jennifer Nicole Lee, Ms. Bikini Universe, who lost well over 70 pounds following the principles laid out in her guide. For more info and a look at the Bikini Model Program review,